intricacies of the Makita Cordless Impact Driver DTW1001. This is not just any tool, it's a powerful cordless companion known for its high torque output and incredible durability. However, even the mightiest of tools may require a little TLC, and today we're delving into the disassembly process of this remarkable machine. The first step in the disassembly process involves removing the battery. Always remember, safety first. The battery is the heart of the device, supplying the energy needed to drive those screws home. By pressing the release buttons on either side, the battery will slide out with ease. Next, it's all about the housing. The housing is held together by multiple screws located around the body. Utilize a Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove each one. Remember, these screws are small and can easily be misplaced, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, the two halves of the housing will separate. Be gentle during this step. The housing protects the internal components, and any rough handling could potentially damage these sensitive parts. Inside the housing, you'll find the core components of the impact driver: the motor, the switch, and the gearbox. The motor in particular is the powerhouse of the tool, and it's connected to the switch. To disconnect it, simply unplug the wires attached to the switch. The next component to remove is the gearbox. This is the part of the tool that determines the amount of torque delivered. It's attached to the motor shaft and can be slid off with a little effort. After the gearbox, the switch comes next. It's held in place by a couple of screws. Again, use your trusty Phillips screwdriver to remove these. Finally, the last part to remove is the LED light. This small but essential feature provides visibility in those dark corners. It's held in place by a small clip, and with a gentle tug, it will pop right off. And there you have it, the complete disassembly of the Makita Cordless Impact Driver DTW1001. Remember, the key to a successful disassembly is patience and care. Each part, from the battery to the LED light, has a specific role in the overall function of the tool. In summary, the disassembly process involves removing the battery, unscrewing the housing, extracting the motor, gearbox, and switch, and finally, removing the LED light. It's a journey of discovery, revealing the inner workings of a tool that has become an essential in workshops worldwide. So, the next time your Makita Cordless Impact Driver DTW1001 requires some attention, remember this process. With a little patience and care, you can ensure your tool remains in top condition, ready to tackle whatever